What the fuck?
So here I have a engine plate. I've done welded the bolts to the plate. That way I just set the engine on top of it. But
I know what you're saying. You're so smart.
I'm gonna take these little bolts and I'm gonna weld them to the outside like that. I can put this engine plate down like that and put another piece of metal on the bottom and like sandwich it on there, and then I can drill a hole through here and bolt that piece that's sandwiched onto here. That way I won't move or anything, just a precautionary. But I'm sure that right there, sandwiched to it, will be enough to hold it on there. That way I don't have to weld anything to the frame and mess anything up, in case I find a 2-stroke motor or something to put back on it. So, got the GC160. I got it mounted up. As you can see, I got that bar right there across. I just welded on those studs on the other end. And it holds it pretty good, but I'm gonna have to make a mount for the top because it has flex right here. If you push on the top of the motor, it'll flex on either side. So I'm gonna have to make a spacer that goes under these 2 bolts right here, and it's gonna hold this right here on the spacer. That way it sits like that, and I can just bolt a piece of metal up right here, and it do the same thing as that bottom, box it on there. That way I ain't gotta weld nothing permanently on here. Here's my intake I made for the KX. 3 different tubes on there, and then 2 big washers. That one I cut down. So I got this sprocket, and I gotta cut it in half. Ta-da!
Hand my arm like a tree trunk Superman.
Because I need to fit it on this wheel. This circle area was too big.
That's what she said.
This is about the size sprocket I need. I figured I have it sitting around, why not make it work? So what I'm going to try to do is cut it somehow, fit around this circle, that way I can bolt it up. So I got the sprocket on. I was going to weld it, I was afraid it'd warp. And I know how go-karts have like split axles, split sprocket, not axle. It looks pretty straight, but as you stand behind it, see how straight that is? I mean, there's like a little bit of a wobble. I don't know. I mean, it's straight enough that it's not going to come off. Alright guys, this little thing was broke, so I had to weld a threaded rod on there. But I had to weld that on there. That way I could tighten the back tire up and keep it from jerks the tire over that way where the chain is. And then the chain flies off. So I made this. I'm going to slide the bolt through. And I gotta make these little back plates and drill a hole through it in the middle. That way I can put it through there and use the bolt to tighten it up. We're gonna go cut another one of these pieces out. Mark right there. We're gonna take it over here and get it cut. And we're done! There, I get the cap on, I just gotta tighten this one up.
Golf clap?
Golf clap.
So as you guys seen, I took this out for a ride, but what happened is that it works good on flat ground and when you get up to speed, but if you're trying to go up a hill, it sucks. The reason is the clutch is wore out. And it's been like 40 minutes and that thing's still hot. Moved that clutch side to side, so it's just wore out. It was a cheapo clutch. Amazon or eBay one. I think it only cost like 15 bucks maybe. So you get what you pay for. But yeah, it's wore out. I'm gonna bite the bullet and I'm gonna buy either a torque converter for it or a good clutch. I can figure out how to get a torque converter to work. I'll do that. Stay tuned for the next process of this build where we get the new clutch or torque converter or whatever I decide to put on it, and we'll take it out for another ride.
You've got mail.
So I got a package from Etard today. Look at that beautiful artwork. They would do like go-karts and go out fishing and frame that. He hooked me up. Got 3 of them. Got a black Tard Squad, a green Tard Squad, and I got a white Tard Squad. So I gotta figure out where to put all these. Heck yeah, that's it. Thanks, Etard. Well, figure out somewhere to put them. Thank you, appreciate it. I'm gonna frame this letter. So it's pretty cool. You took the time to actually draw that. Thanks again. I'll see you later.
Like, comment, share. Like, comment, share.
Like and subscribe.
Like, comment, share.
Like and subscribe.
Like, comment, share.
Like and subscribe.
Like, comment, share.
Please retweet.